Okay, so next property is C is a scalar. Okay, for example, C times A inverse equal to 1 over C inverse A. Go. The example is if we have 2A in bracket negative 1 go to A or inverse of 2A, so this is equal to 1 over 2 inverse A, right? Okay, then number 4 we have the transpose A transpose of A inverse equal to inverse A transpose. Okay, this is same as property number 2. So we can switch the position of transpose and inverse. Okay, so transpose is, okay, let's say we have the transpose of A, so this is A, therefore the transpose of A is 1, negative 2, 3, 1. So if we find the inverse of transpose A, so we have 1 over 1 minus negative 6, so 1, negative 3 to 1, so the answer is 1 over 7, 1, negative 3 to 1, okay, or 1 over 7, negative 3 over 7, 2 over 7, 1. So this is for A transpose inverse. Okay, so we have the inverse of A here. If we transpose the inverse of A, what we will get is 1 over 7, 2 over 7, negative 3 over 7, 1 over 7. So this is same as the transpose and inverse, right? So I've proved the 4 properties. Okay, the last is matrix multiplication. Okay, AB inverse is equal to inverse B times inverse A. Okay, so we have to be careful. Okay, if we want to open the bracket, okay, of the inverse, so we must to make sure that the first element or the first matrix is B inverse and then followed by A inverse. Okay, so I want to show you the example. Okay, let's say A is a matrix okay, 2 by 2, and we also matrix 2 by 2. So from properties we have AB. Okay, so we multiply the matrix A and B. The answer is negative 2 minus 1, 2 times 4, 8, minus 2, 3, negative 3, plus 1, 12, plus 2. So the answer negative 3, 6, negative 2, 14. So the inverse of A times B is 1 over 3 times 14, negative 42 minus negative 12. Okay, then we switch off the position of 14 and negative 3, then negative 6, positive 2. So we have here negative 42 plus 12, so negative 30. Okay, if I multiply the scalar, so we have a negative 7 over 15, so 1 over 5, negative 1 over 15, 1 over 10. So this is for AB inverse. Then we check the other side. Okay, inverse A. Okay, inverse A. So we have 1 over AD minus BC. CD minus A ada minus B minus C. We have 1 over 5. So the answer is 1 over 5. 1 over 5, negative 3 over 5, 2 over 5. Okay, then for B inverse, 1 over negative 2 minus 4, 2, negative 1, negative 4, negative 1. So we have 1 over negative 6. Okay, so the answer is negative 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 1 over 6, 1 over 6. So multiply the inverse of B and inverse of A. Okay, so our expectation is same as the result of AB inverse. Inverse A. Okay, then we multiply. Negative 1 over 3 times 1 over 5, so negative 1 over 15. Then negative 2 times 3, 6 over 15. Okay, then negative 1 over 15 plus 4 over 15. Okay, then 1 over 6 times 1 over 5, 1 over 30 minus 3 over 30. Okay, then 1 over 30 plus 2 over 30. So the answer is negative 7 over 15. Okay, 3 over 15 equal to 1 over 5. Okay, negative 2 over 30. Okay, negative 1 over 15. 3 over 30, 1 over 10. So this is same with the AB inverse. Okay, but if we multiply inverse A and inverse B, so we will get the wrong answer. Okay, since A times B not equal to B times A, so same as inverse A times inverse B is not equal to inverse B inverse A. Okay, but for the inverse of AB, so it is equal to inverse B times inverse A. So hopefully you understand all the properties. Okay, all the properties of inverse here, and can